Well, we have quite the problem this morning here, everybody. We have a headless, neckless duck stuck in the fence, and the fence is wide open. And there's our fence charger. Okay, at least my quail look okay. How you guys doing in here? Uh-oh. Gonna have to count how many of you are left in here, huh? Everybody in here, maybe? I hope you're all in here. Oh, jeez. This isn't good, folks. We have got a headless duck here. Obviously something got in here. Oh, wow, this is all knocked down. Last night, and I guess I didn't hear it and wake up in time. Something tried to get in here last night, and I went out with the dog and chased whatever it was away and heard it scuffling off in the woods. Looks like it's increased its efforts, and since it's missing only the head and neck, I'm guessing it's a raccoon. But it doesn't really matter what it is. I need to get this fence charger working again and do something to increase my fence efforts here. I think they're gonna have actual metal wire around here with a wire on top charging it. This fence netting's got to go away anyway. It's fall, and this can't be up in the snow, so yeah, that is a definite problem. Let me see who's left over here. Was that a male or a female? That was a female. Both of my drakes are still here. Oh, man. Yeah, this has to be solved, or I'm going to be missing more ducks tomorrow. This is not a welcome development on the farm here. Yeah, this sucks. Well, despite my fortifications last night with a motion-activated light, we are down another duck this morning. I didn't actually see or hear any breach in these fences last night. I heard the ducks get all commotion and came out here with the dog and a flashlight. I didn't see anything. I didn't see any obvious fence breaches. And whatever it is, somehow was brazen enough to grab a duck, get it through 2 sets of fence, and take it right over here to rip it to shreds. And this time it took the head and the neck and the breast meat. I don't think you need to see the duck. It's maybe you do to identify the predator. I'm guessing it's a raccoon, maybe a relative of the one that I had trapped in the chicken jail one night. But whatever it is, it's not afraid of me, and it's not afraid of the dogs, and it's also not afraid of 2 sets of fence. This Parmak solar charger over here is really not working to my standards right now. It's not throwing out enough volts to deter shit when it's on. So, yeah, it's barely doing anything. See? That is not really keeping a predator out all night, you know? It's barely working. So, I think what we're gonna do is I might either put the goats back on hay early and take them off their pasture, because things are turning kind of brownish yellow out there anyway, or I'm going to put Mr. Poa Pig in the woods for the winter and take his solar charger and change it out, because I'm losing a duck a night right now over this not keeping predators out. I've checked all around it, and it isn't rubbing on anything or touching things it shouldn't, and obviously it needs some repairs here and there, but it ought to be zapping whatever the hell is climbing through 2 sets of fence to get at my ducks every night. This is getting ridiculous. If it wasn't so cold, I would leave the dogs out all night, but it's getting down into the 30s here at night, so that really isn't an option. They're not big, fluffy livestock guardian dogs. They're not quite made for that. They're used to going in and sleeping on the couch at night, so. But this sucks. I'm gonna get back to my chores here because my chickens want to be let out. But damn, man, I gotta do something here because this farm is all about wildlife coexistence, but this critter is really testing my patience, so I really need to enforce my duck protections.